If you use Google Classroom, you'll want to connect those classes to Edpuzzle. Let me show you how to do that. You're going to do it from the Edpuzzle site, and you need to log into the Edpuzzle site as a teacher and use the Google sign-in and use the same Google email address that you used for Google Classroom. In my case, it's my school email address. So once you've logged in as a teacher with the same Google account, you'll see this home screen. Up at the top, you're going to click on My Classes. And it's possible to create your own classes that don't match up with Google Classroom if you would like. Or you can hit the Google Classroom button and it's pulled in a list of my classes. Again, it's looking at the same Google ID as I logged into Edpuzzle with. And you can choose to import all of these or just some of them. And it's not only going to list the classes, but it also pulls in the roster for those classes, which is nice. It exactly matches the roster on Google Classroom, and when these students are ready to watch an Edpuzzle video, they'll come to Edpuzzle, they'll log in using Google and choose their school email address, and they'll be able to see all of the videos that you've assigned to them. If your roster in Google Classroom changes, like you add students after you've imported to Edpuzzle, you'll want to import again. You would, let's say my biology roster, let's say I added and had more than 10 students in the future, I would come back to this class, click on the Students tab, and import the students again, and the list would update.